Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Slidebreak Reverse Walkaround. Now you need to know a Slidebreak Walkaround first, so link in the description below. Assuming you've gotten to this point, I now think you know it. So the Reverse Walkaround variant looks like this. Go 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, R1, 2 and 3. Now because it's a walk around variation and a sliding variation at that, there is a massive amount of leeway in the timing. You walk for as many counts as you want. You can do the transitions from one direction to the other slowly or quickly. So we're really talking about the shapes and not too much about the timing. So let's break it down. It starts exactly the same as a slide break walk around. So we go back to two hands, we go over the heads, we start walking. And when we've had enough of the walking in the normal direction, the guy stops and just uses the tone to slow the lady down and start her coming backwards. Once she started coming backwards, we lift the hands, the guys head over to the right now goes over the guy, the left goes over the lady, and we start to get the lady walking forwards again, but now in the opposite direction. Again, you walk as long as you like. When you're ready, you let go, you slide, you end up left to left, and the normal way of getting out of this is to just take that hand down to the left as you move away, so you get a little twist, and then spin change places back to man's left, lady's right, or man's right, lady's right. You could work with any left to left move at that point, but most people are a little less comfortable with that grip, which means most people want the fast way back to familiar territory. Okay, so we've done it the standard way. Now we need to at least think about numbers a little bit, otherwise we can't do it together in a second. But if you do a different timing, don't feel bad. We're going to go back, two hands, 1, over the heads, 2, we're going to walk for 3, slow the lady down, 4, reversing 5, over the heads again, 6, walking 7, 8, sliding 1, down to the hand 2, spinning 3 and catch 4, which is slightly slower than the demo I did at the start. Okay, so let's try it. 5, 6, slide break, reverse walk around. It's a back, over, walk, slow down, change direction, change heads and a walk, walk, slide, prep, spin and catch. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. We will be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Everyone who does that, you're helping to promote the channel, so big thank you to all of you. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.